In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an accountant or bookkeeper to Zoho Books so they can access your financial data and help manage your accounts. If you work with an external accountant, tax professional, or bookkeeper, giving them proper access inside Zoho Books can save a lot of time and eliminate the need to constantly export reports or send files back and forth. The best part is, Zoho Books allows you to assign them a specific accountant role so they can review transactions, manage reports, and help with compliance without interfering with the rest of your business operations. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can add your accountant safely and correctly in just a few minutes. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside your Zoho Books dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open the main settings area where you can manage preferences, taxes, integrations, users, and permissions for your organization. Inside the settings page, look for the option called Users and Roles. This is the section where Zoho Books allows you to manage who has access to your accounting system and what permissions they have. Click on Users and Roles to continue. Once you're inside the Users and Roles section, you'll see different tabs for managing access. Click on the tab labeled All Users. This area shows everyone who currently has access to your Zoho Books organization. If you already have team members added, you'll see them listed here, along with their assigned roles. To add your accountant or bookkeeper, look for the button that says Plus New User. Click on the New User button to start creating a new user invitation. Now Zoho Books will open a form where you can enter the details for the accountant you want to invite. The first field is Name. Here you'll enter the full name of your accountant or bookkeeper so it's easy to identify their account inside your user list. Next is the Email field. Enter the professional email address that your accountant uses. Make sure the email is correct because Zoho Books will send the invitation directly to this address. After entering the name and email, the next important field is Role. Click on the Role drop-down menu and scroll until you find the option labeled Accountant. Select Accountant from the list. This role is specifically designed for accounting professionals and typically gives them the access they need to review financial records, manage books, and generate reports without giving unnecessary administrative permissions. Once everything looks correct, review the information one more time to make sure the name, email, and role are accurate. Then click the Send button. Zoho Books will immediately send an invitation email to the accountant you added. When they open the email, they'll be able to accept the invitation and connect their account to your Zoho Books organization. After they accept the invite, they'll appear in your All Users list inside the Users and Role section. From there, you can always edit their permissions, change their role, or remove access if needed. This makes it easy to collaborate with your accountant while still maintaining control over your financial system. And that's it. That's how you add an accountant or bookkeeper to Zoho Books in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.